Hello everyone, my name is Siftin Qasmi. In this video, I will share with you my first experience internship. Thanks. Hello everyone, my name is Siftin Qasmi. I'm a student at 1337 Coding School. Today, I'd like to share my first internship experience at Atlas AI. During this internship, I focused on developing mobile applications using the Flutter framework. These apps leverage advanced AI tools like Stable Diffusion, GPT-4, and Gemini. In the following slide, I will provide more details about my work and experiences. Thank you for watching. About the company, Atlas AI is a forward-thinking company focused on creating innovative AI solutions. Their mission is to use AI to enhance productivity and drive growth in different industries. They developed custom AI apps to solve complex problems and make operations smoother, always aiming to advance technology and create smarter solutions. Internship Overview. During my 6-month internship at Atlas AI, I developed 2 mobile apps using Flutter and Figma. The first app, called Repair, provides step-by-step repair instructions and tool recommendations from a photo of a broken item. The second app, named Story Holder, creates personalized stories for children based on their characteristics. I also learned about AI technologies like Stable Diffusion, GPT-4, and Gemini, and I improved my soft skills. Now, let's talk about the Repair app. This app allows users to easily fix a wide range of broken or malfunctioning items, like taking a photo of a broken item, instantly identifying the problem, providing a list of necessary tools and materials, giving step-by-step instructions how to complete the repair. This app makes repairing things at home simple. Now, let's move to the Story Wonder app. This app allows parents to create custom stories for their children, like creating a character profile based on your child's details, like name, age, and physical characteristics. Entering a story prompt such as "My child become an astronaut," generating a fully illustrated story with multiple chapters tailored to your child's profile, including vibrant dynamic images and match the story your child's appearance. It's a wonderful way to engage your child with personalized stories. During my internship at Atlas AI, I developed a range of both hard and soft skills. I worked with tools like Figma for design and learned about AI technologies such as Stable Diffusion and OpenAI's GPT-4. I also improved my problem-solving skills, teamwork, and communication abilities. This internship has been an invaluable experience in both of my professional and personal growth. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you find it interesting and informative. My time at Atlas AI has been incredibly rewarding, and I'm excited to continue building on the skills and experiences I've gained. Thanks again.